We are pleased to show you the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.